bia enye nsuo hye nko a na sabio ye de kose nkofa nipa nsuo nwunu pampo na ya na efa nipa kese ejino I am believing say obi a wosefata biara wodi o man nanim eyeye biara onyankopon ma nenye mintimi nka papa edutum asem ne kwawu elomas asem because menhye da anya politics menhye da enim wo mosa na tie de ba de metimi aka ye mpenifo miensen president a wote so akompre ko na yen Bawumia said these are the characters we den somebody will be attracted to one or two obi a woni a for me. I love the calm, the cool, collected thing, and I also love the fact that say or na soon be a priority. Media no, and non say media nyansa womb. Aye.
Okay, so Oshe or mine na assume a year a priority no enema or bedawa kumaso. And now who say he's a leader that if you had the opportunity to vote and carry delegates and come to Obama. Mamin Bisa, you do a lot of leadership series. Sometimes Ola Mitiwa, I'm so I'm say, hey, you're alive, and you are preaching leadership. And leadership, it's anchored on biblical text near there.
Yes, please.
One time, Mimi Teo no, Mimi Rie and I'm say, Mimi nim said you're meeting a chair, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Boxes need now or take it or they are all kind so I'm not surprised to say and Nigeria say if you had the opportunity to vote in the prime minister you can come back to Obama. Is calmness a deficiency or 2026 more? Is calmness a deficiency in a leader? Is calmness a deficiency? There be here is no yet to trust it.
Oh yes, I will wrap it up on now we need to something. This year you could almost 400. It means that people are enjoying what we are saying.
People are enjoying, yes. Yeah.
Don't underestimate the force of spirituality or religion in Ghana. Don't. Because many aketwa Elvis Ajiman, one with the way I boss stadium ma esadi pegu abonten. We don't underestimate anything when you're meeting. Now, Mamin can we one nim Bible mu pa o mu gina so no omo ne me be ya adwene adebo revelation talking about apart from angel no you will be why from the living creature at asefo no ba nan na ba ku bi nanim eye makomako 4 nanim ye 4 or the face of a lion, the face of a calf, and what the face of an eagle, and what the face of a human being. Now, this talks about the balanced proclivity of every leader.
The balanced proclivity
of every leader. And no ye insunsan so pepe you are a war or candyphobia remu. A to the beer, uhia jatani mu. So was so ultima bufu kakra. Now jero who ye yes, we were found ballot boss or crady again. Yes, and we yes, I didn't be bria or chinebino. Say no one we are. You better I go so to travel. In the few sense, we have Ogama soon now. We are that calm or no. A few sounds here. Okodia to soon who say you risen up here because Okodia ma from Okosro, that's your intellectual prowess, no. And some of the four phase here, the human. The human is when you become so emotional. How many person you soon? And sometimes you even watch the exemption of the law to help some people. It is a lockdown here by but the human face of the then president baby or yariana did you or baby who need you and muma half on juma no and only a friend tema. It is a wee leader and yet the bian also a yaboko. Debu or was all trying by say yesu. And then yet the Beyonce also by yes, I did to trust and tago. So you need to be very balanced. And not American. You need to be very, very, very balanced. It is said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say, or you're very calm. I was said that one or the kakra family and said Debbie, Sa na man on Josa. Oh yes, I know fino. Then you panel said Debbie a hadie and ya have my wadro. So you don't always have to be very calm and you don't always have to be very fighting. You need to be very mature, you need to be very balanced, you need to know when to keep quiet and when to sit. And I believe it said sana yewura yɛn mpanyinfoɔ no ɛteɛ sɛ ɔhwɛ papa mahama ɛtɔre bi a ɔbɛyɛ yi ɛtɔre bi a no ayɛ sɛ mi de mi odwanfo no sɛ wɔnti obi a ɛtɔre bi a no aba fam sɛ ohunu nipa ayɔ a o leadership no nyɛ dene eti ne papa Kennedy say sɛ ɔhwɛ no a obiara dwene baa so sɛ ɔsɔre tie asɔfoɔ ɔyɛ gidigidi ne adeade but sɛ ɔhwɛ for the past 2-3 months here I could see say as why din so now nipa na wo so ɔyɛ gidigidi no wasan so ahunu sɛ din yɔ enso yɛ good weapon enti sɛ Bawumia yewura Bawumia ɛyɛ din dia ɛne wɔnyɛ a very good weapon because this is the best time attention what Ghana obi apentokwa enti enya afi na wo owura Bawumia obɛyɛ din we do din yɔ ɛne nam de dada dia then we know say you are not pretending. I don't know me person the best man yeah you are not pretending but this is who you are. And this, and I'm saying this is who you are. No, you are what we want at this particular time. And yet, the afina will be seen. Name near what is up the dead. Name says, what's the American answer?
Ha. Upache say, Doc, would you also share Ushimwa or you're consistent? That's the summary of it. Consistent.
It I feel
good. Science to pass experience so ebwa because obia ne keshre ne niemegu form no ochiche obo ne keshre bi mo nim se no be den obeswa
enti
now me pese I make us say prophecy no, how do we determine the fake ones or a fake prophet? Because
you determine who say to any just said the okay no hebebe mu ana say there is no any litmus test bia no akofa no ade akocheke say we fake and any fake wo de wo say maame ada onwu ya ya ma de enche 31st na ewa ha ya and those who are prophesying for yewura A, yewura B, yewura C. Yen nyina yen kotena chiri ne ento popcorn. Na yen hwe de 31st na ebesi. Yes, anaka say who could detect here? Nobody has made you a detector of prophecy unless this prophecy goes against your health. So be I show come no show na authority wa pomuden dia ene so original. Unless it is going in the direction of extortion as what Juicy Kabi. I was so more in the name no say what they was say I will be ne be ni a we yesika gie bi anim enje yesika enje ye diane emefa ye biribia ye nyina yenye din na yenhwe se me ka cho sa akosu erade se usika wo wiase nyina wo kra sika mu aka 3 cedi pe usika wo wiase nyina akofa bra ene no ne wo kopa asofo mienu miensa bi na wo de atoso se say na asofo bi aka na Bible say nkom hye ba yenso nhwe nti monso mo hompa yenhwe we anji usika menka say we ni akosu ndidi 40 days no aka say banhwa me yembetwa kure be sore tia me health enkoye sa de toso miensa enkom hye bia maya is it in contravention with the law of the land ene aka say enkum nipa onyame say that shall not kill so for video asi menkokum nipa obi anhye sa nkom no ene nkom abanyina yesi ebe wi ni yesi bi be wi ni oh how ho akopra false prophecy ayeden and 31st eye next year ayo chinechi ya
the last question because one how can be man pese osisu o check why it gave you that impression o say Dr. Ben concede and you thought say or the minor nation or he put the nation first.
Yes, he had the nation at heart. He put the nation first.
Obi so say obi say a weakness. Me pese wo how you saw it as what it is ebema open as.
Okay, well, menti obi a weakness name they make man can say it is better to win people than to win an argument. Sometimes some people win argument and lose good people. Sometimes the best way to win is to lose, to survive, and keep your people. It in a total people and yes, I didn't kunim nipa. Obi said, Debbie, we didn't kunim beba. Name so nipa be wood ye meje efono etum. Onipa nyankwa there. I believe that the person has the people at heart more than the personal aggrandizement becoming a what. It is not becoming a what now. Who be the president in a sebe anymore? And ya more so na be the president. E nipa so. The nipa be wood ye. Any ama me many once in a nipa nyankwa. I believe is say sana sebe empeni yo. Etie ma me say e kombede ne made ya obatampa. Obeda kom ama ne medidi eno no na ye weakness a men blame nipa a o ka say weakness because we are sense so obi a position dey determine the perception said you be hu ade e was said you chirem into to somebody a weakness but to me a mastery of authority eja say ye de bre no ase na if you are able to tame fire then it means that you are a master. If I believe said you will be actually be an or entitled said you better do a but for me any weakness a crime say nipa no dwene nipa ho
You so say a mastery of
because what
thank you. Thoughts, notice and no, thank
Mrs.
you.
Sanadwen am I rain freezer wo hwe me video a me ne Mr. Carter ya me ka se me to aba meto ama akompre ko Canada Japan na ni edinti but me nkom share ne de me hu ye no na owura Bawumia na awi ni ade amaka de da onye se bia me wo platform so de me maka ebe mu asedan ka onyame amamu a me ni problem bia because onyame wotimi sesa na adwene de me hunu ye eno no aha me de me hunu ye nte ya de da wa me nko se me kobo ho mpa ye se mbrem so onyame no ade wada na di a kire me no se fata se ebe mu a o ma ne mbrem se ni kwan so ye ni ye hwe aniwa ebi akomam kro wonyame se mi yi kire o se de bia obebo mpa ye twam a ni nyina ayo onyankopon ase but me de me hu ye ensesa se ye Bawumia na obefa ayi no se nyankopon ya adom na wamfa enyo anu no se na bia makotie nyame ni ye na mabɔ me mpa yi na matram baabi we nya afi na me bebu me ko mu bia debi na me mfa bi bia nto so nya chacha nji wo de ebe mu no ya sedan kanya me nu ni chacha bia na me kasa maka we nti waja asɔre anya yi bia mesere wa
say ye nyina e free club baako so ya no pa on the tuition school fees on ma o chop money na ye nim si e free club baako yi no am chop money every day. I will create opportunity for you employment. So boy, mon feeling sa form. This is a social contract between minimum council of elder was some party nature fele fa oba ana wonana edin hye ye bema oba ana wonana adwuma ashuel munyam. It is a bread party. How many hours and a matna in the name of MPP and me? Now, it will never happen. We are going to go by these forms. Executives now, you know, positions, you know. Who signed Alaji, they will have pointed. The only first president, member appointment. Member Alaji appointment. Number making sure, say, may they form the account. Go and employ party people. They will have one fair go to the ball since the media. Okay, now they call it guess. May you when you Alaji. Now, Gabio, the way Omukasa, Mimbo Hobium, not just a man, Papa. But your opposition, you are deputy coordinator. Youth. Hey, I propose any other suspect. Adia or a suspect at back. That you to India, where they say, why would you Agronko. Eti Mumfeli, because Mahama, Obaye, Wayi MPP for me. What is a Ghana for complaining? Say, Wafa Togo for, Wafa Benin for, Wafa Ivorians. So, Obiankasa, it is only a Ghana for. Send DC for a Ghana for the MPP for Monsomo a Ghana for. Nameme Wakuku Monia, Masunda Yakasa Mefa MPP for. My young journalist be no friend. Oh, message in there, a coye pa, name Momusu, Ubefa party for them, the crash stop right there. Unma futu Apakoma Mahama. More journalists are more Ghana. Why not me a condemn Mahama say, offer NDC for? Na Minika se mefa MPP for dia o se mefa mo anya sa ye party no egu ayawdie edidija amanipa no bebre wo mo nkeka wo ho enya adwuma. I want to build the party again. I'll make sure say my family adwuma nti munya gidie na mo fele forms. Make out messing up. Omo propaganda. Oh, and Montuam so Ghana will be any ha or caught election first time or win it. Into Mumma second chance. Omo boa, Omo Ghana correct. 1. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah for the first time our prison crime to Abama. 2. Professor Buzia Owini for the first time. 3. Dr. Hilary Man Owini for the first time. 4. Rollins Owini for the first time. 5. Mahama Owini for the first time. So o pesa to Abama will be a good ye to Abama wa kanokure no. O se kofuo ko mienu. Na na do ko miensa. So by your own logic, o be ko 9. And 9 is 16 years. 16 years. Now me gina hay. Na this 65 years old. Executive homes are me a guy pa 65. Now 65 we. What is 16 years be kan ho 81. Na me nambo nipa ene makase metena ho 81 years. Me nambo nipa. Sabre ya me hu sisi me hu so Ghana for free. See ye petumi na momfa Canada Japan mra ne ntu mesrem. Second chance no enya adwuma. Don person mo kan okura so a Professor Dubuahi oko first time and na President Kufuor na omudi ni making reference no o contested no. Adentin one man second chance and we contested. Opese utu abama na on starting from Edubuahi enka nokore wo ye bagwemba utuma na no wato ama na emom so mu bebutu history no achia no abedi turo kire de enye nokore ejime sramo 31st January mokwa
Ebusiafo yede okan ekwe central de no so